Basically, there is three different type of drill bits. So the first one from the left is for wood drill. For wood, the middle is for concrete. The third one is for metal drill. Okay, let's see the difference. Okay, for wood drill, there is sharp end on this drill bit. You see closer. Okay, there is sharp end. So for concrete, this is for concrete drill. For example, you want to install the wall plug, so we use this type of drill bits. So the third one is for metal drill. Okay, this metal drill have uh, small angle at the end of the drill bits. So how to use your handrail? Okay, there is two option here. The left side is for concrete drill. Okay, if you want to install the wall plug to the concrete, you adjust the option to left. So you give extra force to the wall, and the sound is quite high during drilling. So it just like giving an hammering force to the wall. So the second one is for normal drill. If you want to drill metal or wood, so you select to the right one. Okay, so make sure your drill for concrete, I suggest use use more than 500-watt hand drill. So 700-watt is okay, 500 is okay for wall plug installation. Okay, I think okay, this one is for reverse and direct. Okay, that's all.